Are you studying at home or even at school? Feel a little stuck and somewhat bored? Well then stay tuned to my YouTube as I welcome you back to the drawing board.
Hi! Welcome back to the drawing board. Today we're going to look at the ear sound. So, which letters make ear? There are three. E, A, and R. Together they make ear.
Listen carefully for this sound, but don't worry about any names, just the words, as they will help us when we come to practice. Now, let's see what's happening around the world.
Here we have a superhero. We never have to fear when he is near. So, which words in that clip had the ear sound? There was fear and near. Let's practice fear. Starting with a f and ear. F, ear. Fear. Now let's try near. Starting with n and ear. N, ear, near. Next up is a resolution. This year, he is going to try and grow a beard. Now, you may have heard year and beard. Let's practice year. Y and ear. Y, ear, year. Now let's try beard. B, ear, and d. B, ear, d. Beard. Now over to the roadside. Oh dear! It looks like there is a problem with the gears. What could we hear this time? There was deer and gears. So, starting with deer. D and ear. D, ear, deer. Now on to gears. G, ear, and s. G, ear, s. Gears. And last but not least, we can hear a speech, loud and clear. Now, what were our two words? We had hear and clear. Starting with hear. And ear. Ear. Hear. And finally, let's try clear. K, l. And ear. K, l. Ear. Clear. I hope you enjoyed practicing the ear sound today. Perhaps you can think of more words which have this sound. See you next time!